Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today 2013 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle features a 4-liter V6 gasoline engine with 4-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle is a CARFAX certified one owner as well. As we get closer here to the front of this crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek metallic nautical blue with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side to take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features silver 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a significant amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Right behind all of those wheels, you do have mudguards, which will help to prevent not only mud and snow from flinging up on the vehicle, but from anything that might chip away the paint like gravel or stone chips. And you do have black assist steps to help you get in and out of the cab with ease. On the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and on the tops of the windows, you do have rain visors as well. We'll now take a look into the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely graphite gray cloth upholstery on these seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around, and as for your tire treads, you have 9/30 seconds in both your front tires and 10/30 seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brakes, you have 11/30 seconds in the pads in the front, and as for your rear brake drums, you do have 5/30 seconds on those shoes. And I would like to mention that this vehicle does come with the original owner's manual, so if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. As you'll be able to see here in the rear occupant seating, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have cup holders as well as pockets in the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have carpeted floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have a cup holder in them as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on and take a look here at the tail end of the pickup. And as we're making our way back, you'll be able to see you do have a pre-installed tow bar as well as a 7-pin socket for a trailer hitch hookup. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. And as you'll be able to see, this crew pickup does have a bed that's about 6 feet, so you've got plenty of space back here to haul some really nice loads. You also have a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads might give it. To the left and right side of the bed, you do have small storage compartments. To the right over here, you do have an AC bed outlet. And up top, you do have a fiberglass Lear tonneau cover to help protect whatever you put here in the bed from the elements. I will just close that all back up and we'll continue to make our way around the vehicle. We'll continue along here now to the driver's side, and I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This vehicle does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 6-way manual seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards backwards, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your electronic stability control toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding, your power mirror controls, and then a small storage compartment. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the seatbelt's buckled, the engine's running, and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 106,061 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your volume controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel are your hands-free Bluetooth controls. And on the lever right behind the steering wheel, you do have your cruise controls. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display with a CD player up top and controls for said display to the left and right side of it. Beneath that, you do have your climate controls, your 4-wheel drive shift. Farther down, you do have 2 power outlets, a USB charging port, and an aux cord plug-in, a small space for something like your phone, 2 cup holders, your main gear shift, and then your storage compartment behind that. Lastly, we will take a look up here and put this pickup in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. And to the rear of the cab, you do have a manual rear sliding window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this crew pickup, nothing is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll take a look here now to the outside of it. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front of this vehicle. And here along the front of the vehicle, we do have a few nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This vehicle is also a darker color, so it does tend to hide a little more than a lighter color might. Some scuffs there. And another scuff there. And we'll come along here now to the passenger side. Some faint markings here. Some nicks a bit lower. Some faint scratches there. And we'll come along here now to the rear of this pickup. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections in pickups is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have some nicks and scuffs on the top of that, as well as a little bit of wear there on that spray-in bed liner. Now we'll just close this all back up and we'll continue around the vehicle. We'll come back along here to the driver's side. A scratch there. Some small nicks here on that rear and front driver's side doors. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a blue crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bed liner, AC bed outlet, backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, rain visors, 2 keys, carpeted floor mats, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!